Hello, I'd like to talk about a medical problem known as spontaneous combustion, and I've got it.
Brian, stop fucking burping.